Hi everyone. Another question that I see very often is how can I conditional format? When you see Excel sheet or Google sheet and there are many colored cells and you were wondering how does a person color all the cells, and really easily can see if it's a high price maybe, or the age of a person depending on a certain condition. So what I will review with you now is how you can easily do this. So in Google Sheets, the conditional formatting is in format and conditional formatting. So how we begin this, basically you mark the area or the range of the cells that you want to format. You will go to format, conditional formatting, and in this case I'll already have one in, but let's add a rule. And you can choose a color scale. So here Google Sheet offers uh, to conditional format based on the range that you chose. So let's say it's grades, in this case it's age, and let's say I want to highlight ages that are older, so I could easily choose a color scale here, and Google Sheet would mark the higher ages. You can see 71 and 80 in the sheets so that it flags them to me easily. So here they offered me a certain condition and a scale that I chose. And let's say now, so this is a ticket for a ferry ride. And let's assume I want to see what was the age of people that paid a ticket that was above 100. So I would go again to format, conditional formatting, and I'll add a rule. And I really recommend for you to play with this to get to know all the capabilities and options that Google Sheet offers. And I'm just showing you 2 or 3 examples in this video, but there are many, many more capabilities of what you are able to do with this function. So I want to see tickets that were greater than, right, higher than 150 euros, for example, and I want it to color in red. Okay, and then here you can easily see any tickets that are red, and I could see what was the age of the people that for some reason paid a higher price. Maybe they bought it late in time or anything of that sort. And one last conditional formatting that I want to share with you is you could also do it on text. So in these examples, I showed you how to do it on numerical values. We can easily also do it on text. So similarly, we go to format and conditional formatting. And so text, you could say contains or is exactly. I usually like to use contains because then if there's a space or anything of that sort in the cell, then it won't give me an error. So let's say I want to see all the females colored in blue. And voila, easily any text that contains female. So this is good if you're looking for a name, or if you want to mark yes, no, or sometimes progress. For my project management, I use finalize, in progress, on hold, and so on, blocked, etc. So this is really good functionality. As I said before, I recommend for you to go in here just to play with it a little bit and see what are the functions and features that Google Sheet offers. And it's a very, very strong capability to know and to use when you're working with Google Sheets. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for listening. Bye.